Today we will discuss some theorems related to Euclidean ring and maximal ideal. So theorem देखते हैं. इसका statement है if R is a Euclidean ring, A comma B belongs to R and B is not equal to 0 is a non-unit in R, then prove that DA is less than DAB. Proof देखते हैं. If A is not equal to 0 and B is not equal to 0 element in R, then AB is not equal to 0 in R. Thus A and AB are both non-zero element in R. Then by definition of Euclidean ring there exists T comma R belongs to R such that A is equal to T AB plus R, where R is equal to 0 or DR is less than DAB. If R is equal to 0, then A is equal to TAB. Then it can that it implies that A minus TAB इसको हम इस तरफ लेके आए तो ये इक्वेशन मिल गई. नाउ A माइनस ATB इसको हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं विच इज़ इक्वल टू 0. उसमें से A कॉमन ले लिया, सो A ब्रैकेट 1 माइनस TB इज इक्वल टू 0. Therefore A is not equal to 0, so 1 minus TB is equal to 0, so TB is equal to 1. Now B is a unit and which is a contradiction, so R is equal to 0 is not true. Then R is not equal to 0 and so DR is less than DAB. Now from A is equal to TAB plus R we have R is equal to A minus TAB. इसको हम रीअरेंज करके R के फॉर्म में बना लिया. नाउ R इज इक्वल टू A कॉमन ले लिया 1 माइनस TB, सो DR इज इक्वल टू D A ब्रैकेट 1 माइनस TB. बाय द डेफिनेशन ऑफ Euclidean ring DA is less than equal to D bracket A 1 minus TB bracket close which is equal to DR. So DA is less than DR which is less than DAB, is that DA is less than DB. Now there is a definition. If R is an Euclidean ring, a non-unit pi is said to be prime element of R. If pi is equal to AB, then either A or B is an unit in R. There is another definition. In a Euclidean ring R, A and B in R are said to be relatively prime if the greatest common divisor is unit in R. Now there is theorem. An ideal is a maximal ideal in a Euclidean ring R if and only if A naught is a prime number where R is an Euclidean ring. अब हम इसका प्रूफ देखते हैं. If A is equal to A naught is a maximal ideal, then we shall pt A naught is prime. Suppose on contrary that A naught is not prime, then we shall pt A is equal to A naught is not maximal ideal. Since A naught is not prime, then A naught is equal to BC where B comma C belongs to R and neither B nor C is a unit in R. Suppose that capital B is equal to B, then certainly A naught is equal to B such that so that A is a superset of B and B is a superset of R. So A is a superset of B is a superset of R, then it is enough to prove that A is not equal to B and B is not equal to R. We take an contrary if B is equal to R. Since R is a Euclidean ring and so it possesses unit element is that 1 belongs to R and so that 1 is equal to x dot B for some x belongs to R which is equal to B is unit. This is a contradiction for B is not true. B is not equal to R. On the other hand, if A is equal to B or capital A is equal to B, then small b belongs to capital B which is equal to A. So small b belongs to A, therefore B is a multiple of A naught, or we can write B is equal to x A naught. For some x belongs to R, then B is equal to x B C. So 1 is equal to xc. C is a unit R. This is a contradiction. For C is not unit and so A is not equal to B. Hence A is equal to A naught is not a maximal ideal. This is contradiction. For A is equal to A naught is maximal. Hence A naught is prime. Now conversely, suppose that A naught is a prime element of R, we shall prove that A is equal to A naught is a maximal ideal. Let U be any ideal of R such that A is equal to A zeros is a superset of U is a superset of R. Then this is a principal ideal. Then U is equal to U naught. For some U naught belongs to R, since A naught is equal to A is a superset of U, then A naught belongs to U, and A naught is equal to X U naught. For some X belongs to R, since A is a prime number, and thus either X is unit or U naught is unit. Show that A is equal to A naught is a maximal ideal. It is enough to prove that A is equal to U and U is equal to R. If U naught is unit, obviously, so U naught belongs to U, and which implies that U is equal to R. Now if X is unit, then there exists X inverse belongs to R. Then from A naught is equal to X, U naught can be written as A inverse A naught is equal to X inverse X U naught. So X inverse A naught is equal to X inverse X U naught, which implies that 1 dot U inverse. So X inverse A naught is equal to U naught. Now U naught is equal to X inverse A naught. Then U naught belongs to A. So U naught belongs to U, which implies that U naught is a superset of A. Hence U is equal to A. Now A is equal to A naught is a maximal ideal.